What's up, everyone? In today's video, I am going to build a funnel for you from start to finish using ClickFunnels. Now, I use ClickFunnels as a way to collect leads. I use my opt-in page to collect an email. I then send the customer to the bridge page where I give them a little bit more information about my affiliate product. And then finally, the last step of my funnel is my affiliate offer. So here I'm in the main page of my ClickFunnels. So when I log into ClickFunnels, this is how it looks. The nice thing about ClickFunnels is it has a free 14-day trial. So if you want to check it out, I dropped the link below. Doesn't hurt to try it. So the first thing you would do is you would build a funnel. Now, ClickFunnels already has pre-made templates that you can use depending on what you want to use your funnel for. It's very simple to use. I usually just create a custom funnel and kind of start from scratch because I already have an idea in my head of what I want to create. And that's just how I like to do it. So I already have a blank funnel, a little blank canvas waiting for us to create the funnel. The funnel I'm going to create today is going to be the opt-in funnel that I use to collect an email to build my email list. So we're going to go to Edit Page. All right, so here we're in the blank canvas where we're going to build out our opt-in funnel. So the first thing you're going to do is, at the top here it says sections, rows, columns, and elements. Those are the tools and the different building blocks that we're going to use to build out our funnel. So the first thing we're going to want to do is we're going to want to add a new section. And we'll do medium. You can do whatever size you would like. We're going to add a new row. And the rows are based off of columns. So you create a row and then you can create the column. Do you want 1 column, 2 columns, 3 columns? So for the first part at the top of the page, I'm just going to do 1 column. I'll show you what it looks like with 2 columns once we finish this part of it. Now you're going to add a new element. Now the element is what is either going to be your text or an image or an input field or a bullet list. There's a whole bunch of different things you can use as elements. So the first thing is I'm going to make this a headline. And I'll show you, it's just very simple to plug and play. All right. So that is going to be my main headline. Now I can go in and either hit the settings button or just click on the... All right, so here we are with our blank canvas. We're going to start building our opt-in funnel. So the first thing we want to do is add a new section. We'll do medium for this one. And now I'm going to add a new row. So sections, rows, columns, and elements are essentially the tools that you're going to use, the little building blocks to build out your funnel. So I'm going to add a new element. And at the top of my opt-in page, I like to have a headline. You know, something that right off the bat will let your customer know what they're going to be looking at, what they're checking out. All right. So again, like I said before, it's just a simple plug and play. This little settings button will allow you to change the text color, change the font. We can change the font. We can change the font size. We can change the margin size. Change the background color. There's tons of different stuff that you can do. All right. Now we're going to add another element. We'll do a paragraph. This is another just a small little area where I like to just, again, give a little bit more detail about, you know, what they're going to be receiving or what they're going to be learning for putting in their email. All right. So again, simple as that. You can hit the settings tab, you can change the font, you can change the margins. Do you want it closer together, a little farther apart? Change the text color, give it a background color. There's so many different things that you can do. All right, so now the next step, what I would do here is I want to create the area that the customer will put in their name and their email address. So I'm going to add a new row, and I will show you what it looks like with two different columns. So now we're going to have two different boxes side by side that you can put a picture over here, you can put text, you can put a bullet list, whatever you think will help you, you know, get this customer as a lead. Sometimes on my opt-in pages, I'll put a picture of myself. I have a lot of pictures of myself traveling. So sometimes if my header here is, you know, make money online, learn to work from anywhere in the world, I'll usually put some type of travel picture up there. So over here, I'm going to add a new element. And down here is going to be the input button. I'm going to just click that. And then again, I'm going to add a new element, do the same thing, input button. So now here is where they're going to put their name and their email address. So it says your email address here. You can just change that to email. You can literally change this to whatever you want. You can change the font, you can change the margins, you can change the font size. Just have to go into the settings. And it's a plug and play system. So you could do something, you could save it, you could preview your funnel, and you could say, I don't like that. I'm going to go back in and I'm going to change this font. You just go into the settings, change the font, and hit your save button. Simple as that. Now, so here's an email and a name option, but I need to create a button in order for them to click once they're done typing in their information. And some of this stuff is pre-formatted. Like, look how perfect that is. Click to sign up. You can leave it like that, or you can click on the button and you can change what it says. You know, if you have a lead magnet, something you want to send them for free, you would, you know, your button could say, you know, grab my beginner's guide right now, or something like that. Whatever you want it to say. You could change the color of the button, you could change the font size, text. Again, it's all just a plug and play, and you can make it however you would like. All right, so now that you've created the button that they would click to submit their name and their email address, over here it just says demo image. You can upload whatever video or image, that you want. You don't have to put anything there. Just click on a picture, add image, and there you go. So this is a very simple opt-in funnel. You can do whatever you want. You can put borders around this stuff. You could put borders around here, change the colors, add more text. It's truly a plug and play system. That's what I love about it. It's super easy. Now this is just a simple opt-in. There's other things you can do with your bridge page. You can add videos. You can add a ton more text. And you have your simple funnel that you can use to collect emails. Again, it's a plug and play system. It's super simple. You can do whatever you want with it. You don't have to overcomplicate it. The last final thing that you need to do, though, is you need to hit save. Now, there is some other things that you have to do. I just wanted to show you how to build this out. There's other things you have to do to integrate your email autoresponder and integrate some of your affiliate links. That will be saved for another video. If you want to know exactly how to do that, just drop it down in the comments and I can walk you through step by step. But I just wanted to give you a simple idea of how easy it is to create a simple opt-in funnel where you can start collecting emails today. Again, I'm using ClickFunnels here. ClickFunnels has a 14-day free trial. If you want to check it out, drop the link below. If you need any help with anything, don't hesitate to reach out, and I'll see you on the next video.